So hello everyone, today we are here at Sushant University, Gurgaon, and this is not going to be your another campus tour video because today we are going to explore something much bigger rather than just classrooms and buildings. We are exploring how education and industry comes together and create future professionals. Sushant University is in collaboration with 4PL Consultancy and it is providing BBA in Logistic and Supply Chain Management. Now let's understand what is 4PL Consultancy. 4PL Consultancy is a London-based company with more than 10 years of experience in logistics, global trade and supply chain operations. 4PL is not only bringing industry knowledge but it is involved in the complete student journey from teaching to admission, industry exposure, skill development and more. So the idea is simple, not just helping student earn a degree but to help student become industry ready. So let's explore the complete campus, interact with the leadership and interact with the students and let's get all their experiences. So the atmosphere here is energetic, modern and student focused. And since the university is situated in Gurgaon, the India's largest business and corporate hub, student naturally becomes the part of professional ecosystem. The classroom here focuses on interaction, collaboration and interactive learning because learning becomes more meaningful when students participate. Education today has changed. Students don't only want theory, students want practical understanding. Auditorium view. This becomes a hub for seminars, workshops, masterclass and industry interactions. College life is not just about academics and rigorous learning. So here is a fun part. Here's the complete sports area of this university. Canteen view. And let's be honest, this is where many friendships and college memories begin. So they have separate hostels for both girls and boys. So guys, finally we are going to meet the Vice Chancellor of Sushant University and we are going to ask him about how he collaborated with 4PL. So let's go.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Rakesh Ranjan, Vice Chancellor Sushant University. It's a pleasure to speak to all of you regarding this university and the program which we are going to talk little later. Sushant University has been in existence since 1989, almost 36 years plus of experience in the various fields. We are known in the field of architecture, design, engineering, management and hospitality, though we have several other programs also in the campus. So in this particular talk, I'll be talking about our specific BBA program in supply chain management. I think all of you know that the way world is moving fast, supply chain management is going to be a critical area which will drive the growth engine of any country. And India looking forward to have a graduate who are qualified in this particular field. So what we have done is that we have joined hands with the 4PL, a London-based company who is known to have its existence in managing the supply chain across Europe, America, Asia, and Northern America. The idea is, apart from the theoretical aspects, we would like to give to our students the practical exposure and that too also to be taught by experienced professionals from 4PL. We are looking forward that at the end of their graduations, they would be job ready and they would be accepted in the industry happily. Sushant University is also known for its global exposures. Not today, since its inceptions, we have large number of international exposures. And I am also happy to share that in Sushant University, every month we call High Commissioner and Ambassador coming to the campus and they interact with our student, they talk about their country, and also talk about the opportunity our student can have. So looking forward to all of you who join this particular programs. We assure you that you will be a globally accepted graduates in the field of the supply chain. Come and visit our campus to have the first-hand experience. Thank you very much.
So thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time to us. And firstly, I would really like to know why did you choose to collaborate with 4PL for BBA in Logistic and Supply Chain Management?
Thank you, Pooja. I think this is a very valid question, why we wanted to join hand with the 4PL. Actually, you know that the way India is growing, we are going to have large number of professionals required to drive the supply chain management issue. And the 4PL is one of the known entity in the world who is dealing to solve the supply chain problem. I am aware that you are working in Europe, you are working in America, and you have got a presence in Asian country as well. So we wanted to use your experience so that our student can gain first-hand industry exposure, so that once they graduate, they can be happily accepted in the industry without going further any training. So this is the basic aim why we are looking forward for the 4PL experts coming to our campus and teaching to our students.
So let's talk about that one thing students and parents are most concerned about, the career opportunities. And one of the biggest advantage of this program is location and industry ecosystem. Sushant University is located in Gurgaon and is strategically connected to major logistics and business hubs including Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. IGI Airport itself supports approximately 5 to 16 lakh direct jobs, making it one of the largest employment ecosystem globally. And the growth story doesn't stop there. With Noida International Airport and its upcoming logistic ecosystem, more than 50,000 direct jobs and thousands of additional opportunities are expected across aviation, cargo, warehousing and supply chain sector. This means students are entering an industry that is continuously growing and creating opportunities. Because industries today are not simply hiring degrees, they are hiring skills. Students can also build pathways towards career opportunities with leading global organizations such as EY, KPMG, Amazon, FedEx, UPS, DHL and many other organizations across India and international markets. Because now industries are not simply hiring degrees but they are hiring skills. So, अपना overall experience बताओ यहाँ का.
ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा है, कैंपस लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है, सारी फैसिलिटीज़ कॉलेज के अंदर ही है, तो हमें बाहर ज़्यादा जाने की नीड नहीं पड़ती. और अगर बाहर भी जाना हो तो सब कुछ बहुत एक्सेसिबल है. हॉस्टल लाइफ इज़ ऑल्सो रियली गुड, हम सब हॉस्टल में ही रहते हैं, तो इट्स रियली नाइस.
एंड फैकल्टीज़ कैसी हैं?
फैकल्टीज़ बहुत अच्छी हैं, हेल्पफुल हैं हमेशा. मतलब आप कभी भी डाउट्स लेके जाते हो या इवन आप नाइट में भी, रात में भी कॉल करते हो या फिर मैसेज करते हो, दे विल रिप्लाई. तो अच्छा है.
आसपास एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत ईजी भी है बिकॉज हमारा कैंपस बहुत काफ़ी वेल कनेक्टेड है. साइबर हब हो गया, रावलीज हो गया, दिल्ली से मेट्रो टाइम से बहुत कनेक्टेड है.
That is one of the USP of this campus, ना?
So comparatively from